Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in Messages or in Notes, in the browser, whenever you want to actually just have the keyboard on the screen like here. Alright, and basically all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings. If for some reason you cannot find them here, no worries, 3 dots icon, tap on Got It, and the settings will appear right here, so you can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this panel to have much faster access to them. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, which should be at the very top, and this is the list of our applied languages. We've got only English, so let's change it, let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, it's so impressive, so I'm pretty sure you will find the language you'd like to set. And basically that's all you have to do, so just find it and tap on it, and let me pick, for example, this one, Urdu. And sometimes, depending on the language, of course, you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on it. Just tap on, of course, the one you'd like to use. And here we've got the keyboard types. And again, depending on the languages, you will have, for example, only 1 to choose from or up to 5. So currently I've got 3 of them. I would like to use the Urdu one. Let me untick this option to turn it off and tap on Done. As you can see, our language has been applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically, at least at this moment, we've got only one difference. After a second, there will be also the second one. So the only difference which we can see right now is the globe icon, which appeared right here, and it acts like a language key. So thanks to this, we can change the language. Currently, I am typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. And here we can see the second difference. So the spacebar. The spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So currently we've got the Urdu one, and after tapping on the globe icon again, we got back to the English, and the English is also shown on the spacebar. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because if you want to leave only one language, then it will be quite useful, right? So let's tap on this 3 dots icon again. Sorry, not 3 dots icon. Just enter the settings here, tap on the languages, and here from this tab we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon here. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all we do not have the language key, and secondly the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.